Keisha Fulsher runs community medical clinics in Christian and Caldwell counties. The Princeton locations were not hit by the twister.
But we did have staff that lost their homes and everything pretty much. And then we had staff that had family members that, lost everything. So, you want to focus on that immediately. We're very early into this, and this is going to be a long-term recovery process for everyone in the region, but most especially those hit, most especially those who's had loss of life, in their families. It's just very sad. It's a very difficult time, particularly, right before the holiday season.
A Christmas holiday season that typically brings her work family closer together.
We spend a lot of time with the people we work with, and we say we're a work family. And so that's a time and an opportunity that we can reach out. Like yesterday, we had already planned our Christmas parties. Because of COVID, rather than having one bin gathering like we have been, we kept them smaller and stayed in each clinic. But that also allowed us to minister to the staff that were here yesterday. Some brought their children, and the children were able to open gifts. And so, we need to be able to start with our own families and our work family before we can be of help to other people in the community.
And many here do need help. Princeton has some of the region's worst damage. So community medical clinics' background in behavioral health services will be an important asset in the recovery.
We all pull together. It doesn't really matter. There's not boundary lines regarding counties. I've been in multiple counties this week, and everyone's talking about not only helping their county, but how can we help our neighbors? How can we reach across? What supplies do we have to share?
With the Kentucky Primary Care Association, I'm Doug Hogan.